AI won't replace you, but it will expose you. Expose you if you don't know what makes you different. Expose you if you're still blending in. Expose you if you're relying on AI to do the hard work you are supposed to do first, figuring out who you, yes, you, really are. So let me tell you the truth that no one's talking about. AI can write emails. It can generate hooks. AI can automate content, but you know what it can't do? It can't give you a soul. It can't make you unforgettable. It can't give you a reason. People should choose you over the 100 other voices saying the same thing. And if you don't know what makes you different, let me tell you, AI, it's not going to save you. It's going to amplify your sameness, amplify your junk, garbage in, garbage out. So when I left the day-to-day of television, I had 20 years of experience, 4 Emmy nominations, $2 billion in content revenue. But you know what I didn't have? A single sentence that said what made me different. Not one. I was great at helping other people shine. But when it came to me, crickets. I thought I could just figure it out later, right? But then I started using AI and all the tools, ChatGPT, Claude, Manus, Jasper, copywriters powered by bots. And what do they all give me? Recycled nonsense, sameness. You know when you read something that was created by AI and had no soul behind it. For me, I hadn't done the hard part yet. I hadn't figured me out. And what I realized was this: if you don't give AI your truth, it will give you everyone else's. That's AI. So let me say it again. AI, it's not your biggest threat. AI isn't your biggest threat. Being forgettable is. Being forgettable is. And you've probably felt it. You write a post and it gets zero traction. You try a hook that someone else used and it falls flat. You show up in a Zoom room and still feel invisible. That's not because your offer is bad. It's because your identity is not clear. AI absolutely can scale your message, but only if you have one worth scaling. AI can scale your message, but only if you have one worth scaling. So here's what I did to fix it. And here's what I built to help you fix it too. It's called the Vibe Finder GPT. It's completely free, and it's designed to help you find what makes you unforgettable. I trained it on the same principles I used in Hollywood to turn unknowns into icons, to take ordinary people and make them the $2 bill in their category. In just a few minutes, the Vibe Finder GPT will help you uncover 4 things: your voice, the way you naturally communicate that people actually connect with, your identity, what you stand for, not your job title, your belief, the hill you die on, and your emotional magnetism. How you make people feel is everything. I've had people message me after using it saying, I finally feel like I know what to say. Another person wrote, I've never felt this seen by a tool before. And someone else said it was like therapy, but faster. I didn't build this to go viral. I built it because I knew what it felt like to not know what made me matter. So if you've ever felt stuck, which We all have been there. If your content isn't landing, it doesn't come from the soul. And if AI is making your stuff sound like a robot with imposter syndrome, start here. Go try the Vibe Finder GPT. The URL is below. It's free. It's fun. And it's fast. Come on, free, fast, and fun. It will give you a foundation no bot can fake. And if the results hit home and it gives you that whoa moment, I've got something even deeper coming your way. That's where we're going to take your vibe and turn it into your full brand of identity. I'm calling it the $2 Bill Brand Audit, but we're going to talk more about that tomorrow. Because tomorrow, I'm going to walk you through a real transformation. Someone with over 30 years of experience in their field who couldn't explain what made her different. And in 45 minutes, she walked away owning a brand new category. One no one else in her field can touch. So go do the work today. Find your vibe, because if you don't say what makes you different, neither can AI.